welcome to my channel where I bring mom creations to you. So today what I'm going to be showing you is how to make this cute little dress. It's a tutu dress with a front apron part, or they also call it shay, and then you have the bodice with neck straps here, and it's an open back dress, okay? So there's just a few things you'll need to start. So first you'll need your shay part, so anything that you want for the shay, and you also need a backing. You'll also need the top bodice part, so I have this picked out here, and you again need a piece of fabric that you'll sew on the back of the bodice, the top part, okay? You'll also need 2 straps, and you'll need a tutu dress. So there's a lot of tutorials of how to make tutus, and if you just Google it or YouTube it, you should be able to find something to get you started on how to make a tutu dress. I definitely can go over how to make one. If you would like, just comment below and I will make a video. Okay, so all you need is a piece of tulle, okay, and you fold it in half, and then all you have to do is you stick it through the hole, and then you see the hole here, you'll pull it through down, and then you just pull, okay, and you keep doing that. So I did do it on an elastic band just to give the outfit a little bit more stretch for your baby girl. And what you want to do is you want to put the good side and the other good side of your fabric together, okay? So you have the bad side on the front and then the bad side facing out. So then you just sew along the edge, and all you do now is you just flip it inside out, okay? So here I just top stitch the shay so that everything stays in place. So there it is, okay? And then what you want to do now is you can sew the top bodice part, okay? So then what I usually do is I will find the middle of the bodice and I will cut a V shape, and then I'm going to cut along the sides as well. Very easy. So again, now you just put the good side and the good side together. I sew along the bottom, up around the top, around the neck, and down a little bit, and I leave this part open. When you get close to the top, you want to remember to stick in the strap part. So now you have your piece where you've sewed around the top, along the side, on the bottom, and you left a little hole on this side. So you will trim everything else off, and then you zigzag the ends, the edges. So now you turn it inside out. Then you can sew along the side to close it. Once you have it aligned, then you just sew across where the shay part is. Okay, so now that you have that attached, then you want to go ahead and attach it to your tutu. So there it is. Isn't that adorable? And it's so poofy that it just kind of stands up by itself too, so. Okay, thank you so much for joining me.